how to delete your WeChat account. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can delete your WeChat account, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your WeChat account just like I have done here, and then once you're logged in, move to the bottom part of the screen where you can see options like chats, contacts, discover, me, and click on the me option. After clicking on me on the me's page, you can see other options like favorites, my post, sticker gallery, settings. So ensure you select settings. After selecting settings, on the settings page, you can see options like account security, guardian mode, easy mode, message notifications, etc. So just select account security. On the account securities page, you can see a list of options, right? Then scroll down and click on WeChat Security Center. So once you've selected that, you'll be redirected to the security centers page. But wait for it to load. All right. Once that's loaded, you can see different options here like safety tools, resources, community guidelines, enforcement. And at the last part of the screen, you can see help center. That is what you should click on. All right. So just click on help center, and then you'll be directed to the help centers page. So on the help centers page, after waiting for it to load, scroll down to the last part and click on contact us. Contact us is found in between WeChat home and privacy policy. Once you click on contact us, you'll be taken to another page. Ensure you select the first option here and click here. All right. So after clicking here, you'll be taken to the contact us form. So this is a form that you have to fill. And to fill this form, what do? Select the platform, select the region, select the category you fall under. And the category here is account cancellation. Okay. Now type in description. Why do you want to cancel your account? All of that. You can upload screenshots if you want to. Then you have to select your means of being contacted, and then you check this box, click on submit, and then your request will be submitted. Once your request has been submitted, a response will be sent to you via your email. All right, and then follow the instructions. After following the instructions, you'll be asked to confirm the cancellation by entering your password, and once that is done, your WeChat account will be permanently deleted, just like that. So ensure you reach out to the customer support for you to be able to do so. Thank you for watching to this point, and have a good day.